Christmas is my all-time favorite part of the year. I mean, the lights, the baking, the hot cocoa, the tree decorating. Heck, I mean, just like any part of Christmas is freaking amazing. But this year, my family decided to do Christmas just a little bit differently. Also, I'd like to point out these weird auto bag check-in things that the airport has now. This was not here before. That's right, we're going to Vegas, baby! Also doubling as our last trip to Vegas ever, at least with the family.
Кто где? Быстрее.
We've landed, darling. You see that pyramid thing right there? That's the Luxor. I don't know, but that's where we're staying. It's a big pyramid with a light beam shooting through the top of it. That's Vegas for you. After hours of travel and finally arriving at 1 a.m., we were all absolutely exhausted. I mean, we were like dead. But I'm so glad that I brought my camera with me on this trip to film all of Vegas. I'm so excited to show you guys our 2 days there.